Friends, I'm back again with a beautiful video of pipe chokers andi. Too many inquiries, so previous pipe chokers edaithe post chesamo almost everything got stocked out. I'm showing you few more collection. If in case somebody wants it to be booked, please carry on. You can do pingers for the orders of these items which I'm showing right now. And please do watch morning video andi, and yesterday video also is still in offer, so please do watch yesterday video also for you to book your orders. So this is the first one which I'm showing you. It's only for 850 rupees. Again the same andi, premium quality matte. As been told, this is actually a designery pipe. Meeku idol Lakshmi idol vachesindi. Only for 850 rupees plus shipping is 50 rupees. People wanted to add up some packaging. It will be costing 35 rupees excess andi compared to this. And this is another beautiful piece with Lakshmi idol. Again premium quality matte andi. And next వచ్చేసి same price range లో 850 rupees లో. This is again a premium quality matte one. This is also a beautiful stuff. Again designery pipe వచ్చేసింది. మీకు nice peacock design వచ్చేసింది ఇక్కడంతా, and 3 buttas వచ్చినాయి with a beautiful crystal hanging at the bottom. So this is also a beautiful one. 850 rupees plus shipping is 50 rupees again. Normal shipping charges 50 rupees andi. If in case you buy for total of 1500, you get free shipping. 2000 bill, you get 10% discount and free shipping as well. So this is another piece. And next is a 920 slab. This is a bit bigger pendant compared to the previous one. Lakshmi idol to big size pendant vastundi. This big. Again premium quality. This is all kempus and emeralds. Again designery pipe. And another beautiful piece in 920 slab. This is only single piece available andi. Ippudu nenu chupichedi only single piece available. A beautiful peacock pendant. Only single piece available. And next is ఇది అండి with a beautiful ear tops. Meenakari work తో nice mango model లో with Meenakari ear tops. Beautiful work piece అండి ఇది. Nicely carved stuff. ఇలా వస్తుంది. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ డబుల్ హుక్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. You will not be able to detach it. Detachment ఉండదు. You have to wear it like this. Okay, and I'll put the price tag for this. Only for 1499 free shipping andi. This is actually a bit costly. Meeku intamundu ide item normal pipe tone it was 1499. Now also with the designery pipe we giving for the same sale as we just got one single piece in offer. Single piece andi idi. Single piece undi, so we giving on a sale. Beautiful one. Previously plain pipe lo kuda 1499 free shipping e ochindandi. Now with the designery pipe also you are getting for the same price as an offer. So again one more color is available. Idi vere pipe tho ochindi, designery pipe. So both are designery pipes andi meeku. Again the same price, 1499 free shipping. 1499 free shipping, please keep in mind. 1499 free shipping. Alright, and then one more beautiful Ram Parivar set, pearl set and idi. One single piece available in stock. I'm sorry, this is not the one. Deeniki ear tops vastayi. I'll show you the ear tops. This is a beautiful ear top for this, and this item is costing you Only for 1050 rupees andi. Single piece available in stock. Only single piece available. Nice 18 to 20 inches varaku length untundi. Pearl chain, 4-liner pearl chain, and meeku this will be the ear tops, beautiful ear tops. Okay, back part will be this. Only single piece available. And next is, I'll show you one beautiful designer piece. Heavy Nakshi work set. So here is a beautiful heavy set andi for marriages or for brides or whomever. Like heavy ga sets kavali, something very designery ante idi only single piece available undandi. I don't have in stock, just a single piece available in stock. A beautiful one, heavy design, exactly gold replica. Gold lo ilanti cheyinchukunte ela untundo same alage untundi meeku. Nice nakshi finishing tho vachestundi. Heavy finishing, and this is costing on clearance andi. We have only single piece available on sale, only for 3999 free shipping. Only single piece available. Heavy item, 3,350 rupees discount on sale. Beautiful set. And next is Kasari. One more time I'll show you like this so that you will understand better. You see it very keenly, you will understand it better. So this is the item. Nice one. And next itlantivi adugutunarandi, Rani harams adugutunaru. So people want, you can go for this with a reasonable price. సో అంకట్స్లో వచ్చిందండి ఇది రాణి హారం. 2 కలర్స్ మేక్ చేసాము. వేరే కలర్స్ కావాలన్నా కూడా వీ విల్ మేక్ ఆన్ ఆర్డర్ బేసిస్. ఈ 2 కలర్స్ బీడ్స్ బ్లూ రెడ్ కాకుండా వేరే కలర్స్ కావాలన్నా కూడా ఆర్డర్ బేసిస్ మీద మేక్ చేసిస్తాము. గ్రీన్, పింక్, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్ వీ విల్ మేక్ ఆన్ ఆర్డర్ బేసిస్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అనదర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వన్. And this is costing heavy andi, completely heavy set. Again the same 18 to 20 inch in length. Only for 1690, 200 rupees more than 10% excess discount istunamu because of offer sale. 1690 free shipping each set. Each set 1690 free shipping. ఇక్కడ చూసారంటే కంప్లీట్లీ డార్క్ బ్లూ బీడ్స్ అండి. డ్యూయల్ షేడ్ వస్తుంది బీడ్స్ అన్ని. ఇక్కడ మీకు వైట్ మాప్స్తో అడాప్ట్ చేసేసాము. అండ్ మీకు అంకట్ పెండెంట్, ప్రీమియం క్వాలిటీ అంకట్ పెండెంట్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇయర్ టాప్ ఫర్ దిస్. బాటమ్ కూడా మీకు ఇవంతా కలర్ పోయే బీడ్స్ కాదు, కలర్ గ్యారంటీ గ్లాస్ బీడ్స్ అండి, కలర్ పోవు. సో డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ ద కలర్ షేడింగ్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అనదర్ వన్. రెడ్లో వచ్చింది, ఇలా ఉంటుంది. You want it to be made in a different color also? Yes, we will make on order basis. So that's all for today in this video, friends. Thank you so much. I'll catch you tomorrow again. Bye bye.